A very good morning to you children. Welcome again in your maths class. Children, hope all are fine. Okay, let's begin today's class. Today we will go through chapter number 6, division, and the exercise is 6.2. Children, in this class we will learn to solve division sums with zero remainder and remainder of some numbers also. Okay, so let's start. Okay, let's have one example. Here 24 divided by 6. Okay, so what we will do? We will write 24 inside and 6 outside. 24 is dividend and 6 is divisor. Okay, now after that what we will do? We will compare divisor, that means 6, with the leftmost digit. Okay, leftmost digit is 2. Here you can see that 2 is less than 6. Okay, 2 is less than 6, so 2 cannot be divided separately. Okay, because for division we always need the bigger number than divisor. Your divisor is 6, but here the leftmost digit is less than 6. So what we will do? We will take both the number together, that is 24. 24 is greater than 6, so it can be divided by 6. Okay, now after that what we will do? We will write the table of 6 to find out when 24 is coming. So write down table. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. Here you can see that in how many times 24 is coming? In 4 times. Okay, so you will write 4 at top, and what is the product of 6 and 4? 24. So you will write this 24 below this one. Okay, and after writing you will do subtraction. So start subtraction from ones place. 4 minus 4, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. So what is the quotient here? Quotient is 4 and remainder is 0. Okay. Okay children, let's have one another example. Here 34 divided by 8. So we write 34 inside and 8 outside. Okay, and after writing it you compare leftmost digit with divisor. Divisor is 8 and leftmost digit is 3. Okay, so you can see here 3 is less than 8. That means you cannot divide 3 separately. Okay, so what we will do? We will divide 34 together by 8, because you know that in division you always need the bigger number as dividend. Okay, so 34 we divide together. For this we write the table of 8 to find out when it is coming in the table of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40. Okay, here you can see that we have reached at number 40 and we have crossed the dividend. Dividend is what? 34, and we have reached at number 40. Okay, so what we will do? As we cross dividend and we come to the bigger number than dividend, then what we will do? We will put a cross mark here. Okay, and now which number we have to choose for this dividend? The number that is just above it, that is 32 we will choose. Okay, we will not choose the other less number. That will be your wrong choice. Okay, so we will choose the number where we have crossed the dividend and we reach at the bigger number than it, and we choose the number that is exactly above it. So we will choose 32, and how many times 32 is coming? In table of 8, in 4 times. 8 fours are, so we will write 4 at top, and 32 is the product of 8 and 4. So we will write 32 below 34, and after that we will do subtraction. So we will start subtraction. 4 minus 2, 2, 3 minus 3, 0. So quotient is 4 and remainder is 2. Understood children? Okay, let's have one another example. Here 75 divided by 3. So what we will do? We will write 75 inside the box and 3 outside. Okay. And after that we will do comparison. Here the divisor is 3 and the leftmost digit of dividend is 7. So here what you can see that 7 is greater than 3. Okay. In the last term which we have done now, all the sums, the leftmost digit were smaller than the divisor, but here the leftmost digit is greater than divisor. You can see here. Then in this case what we will do? In this case we will divide 7 separately. Okay. In this time we will not divide both the number, that is 75, we will not divide together. Okay. Here if the leftmost digit is greater than or equal to divisor, in that time we will divide it separately. Here you don't see the 5. Okay. You think that only 7 is here and you have to divide 7 is 7 here only. Okay. So what we will do? We are looking 7 only. That means we will find out the number 7 is coming in the table of 3 or not, or we will choose the number that is less than 7. Okay. So you write table here. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. Here you can see that we have crossed 7 here. 7 is here and we have crossed the number here and we have reached at the number that is bigger than 7, 9. Okay. So you cross it because we don't need it. So what we will do? We choose the number that is exactly above it. So you always remember that where you have crossing the number that is given in dividend, where you just put the cross mark and after that you choose the number that is just above it. Okay. So 6 will be the correct number for here. So how many times 6 is coming? 2 times. Okay. After choosing the number, you see how many times it is coming. In 2 times it is coming. So you will write 3 2 here at up 1. 3 twos are what? 6. So you will write 6 here below 7. Okay. You will not write here below 5. You will not write. Okay. So you will write 6 below 7 and after that you will do subtraction. 7 minus 6, what will come? 1. And now we will use this 5. Okay. We will make one arrow here and we will put down here 5. Clear? Now we have 2 digits 1 and 5. Okay. Here you can see that 1 is less than 3. So it cannot be divided separately. So we will divide 15 together. So what we will do? We will write table of 3 to find out 15. That is 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. Clear? Here we have got number 15 in how many times? 5 times. Okay. So you will write 3 fives are how many times? 15 is coming 5 times. So you will write 5 at up and what product is coming? 3 fives are 15. So you will write 15 below this 15. And after that you will do subtraction. 5 minus 5, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Children, this is two-step division. In this division, you have to divide number 2 times. Okay. So this is called two-step division. Clear? Hope you have understood. Now children, I will give some questions in worksheet and you have to solve it in your maths fair copy. Okay. Now this was your today's class. See you again in next class. Till then, bye, thank you and take care of yourself.